Yeah, so we're out here. We're gonna try out the old Bonnell. First glance, the bike looks good. Yeah, I have no idea what to expect, to be honest. Like, yeah, we'll have to see how it works. Might as well start out small.
I'm really excited to ride the mid-size bike because I've had a Stark, so I think that like it'll be fun to make the comparison between their bigger bike and the Stark. But I really haven't ridden a mid-size bike that looks like it's this durable and beefy and like able to actually like be put to the test. So I'm excited to see how it holds up.
I guess this is it, test time. As far as I know, Red, these aren't production bikes, I guess. This is like pre-production, so we're actually in the real test zone of trying bikes out for the first time, which can also be a little scary. I think it might be too fast for how small it is. Jeez.
What mode were you in?
I'm only in 3 right now.
Dude, this thing's fun in the woods. It handles really nicely.
Oh, you rode the woods already?
Yeah, I just went and did the woods loop to get comfy. It feels really good in the woods. Try the 805, you try the 902?
Yeah,
let's
give it a go.
What is this one? So that's 210 pounds, 56 horsepower. Holy shit!
It's like
it's like putting a 450 motor in a Super Mini.
The 805 is sort of like the jack of all trades. It can kind of do anything for anyone, but it doesn't have to be big and heavy. And yeah, so it's supposed to be the funnest bike there is, so that was the goal.
Fun is lame, bro.
More funner.
We're out here for performance, okay? Performance, not fun. First impressions of the 902, I mean, it's fast. The thing rips. I'm still getting used to the electric again because it's been a while since I've ridden one, so I'm still not using the rear brake proper, even though that was my preferred way, was the handbrake for the rear brake and not the foot. But getting used to that and the speed of the bike, so far so good. Obviously we're here testing, so like the suspension is gonna be the big thing, is getting a moto setting for all the tracks. You know, for all the track guys, that's what we gotta figure out.
Today is ramp day, jump day. We craving that air time. I don't know if anyone out there knows what that feeling is like, but I'm into it. We got the boys out here and we're gonna hit some ramps, hopefully, and ride some moto in some woods and just keep this train going with these fresh, new, amazing bikes.
Yeah, they're really cool. You know, they're kind of their own category, right? It's solid. You know, nothing's flexing underneath you. It feels like it can take abuse, and it can take abuse. There's no other bikes are built like that.
Yeah, I spent the first few days just kind of getting used to the bike, seeing how it felt out on the sand track at Penard's. But today was real deal. I felt like a factory rider. Went out, obviously tested the small ramps in the course, slowly worked up, ended up launching the flip.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
I was getting bored because I can't do the whips right now.
Don't walk over here to me when I'm this excited, honestly, no. Yeah, like we've been planning this stuff for so long, so like providing something that these guys can hit 75 foot on and throw it around in the air, I mean, we started for a woods bike and we're hitting ramps, so this is like pretty exciting for us. From 3 days ago never being ridden to 3 days of pros riding them, you know, reaffirming us we have something good, to now we're hitting 75 foot ramps and jumping. That's a crazy progression. We didn't plan to progress this fast. We'll keep taking it, you know, in a safe manner, step by step. But I mean, how exciting does it get coming out here and watching these guys do this?